Mangoes and yogurt are creamy on their own, but what if we combine them? This mango yogurt smoothie is so quick to make that it's almost like the restaurant style Mango Lassi. And hey, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome to Alchemy. We take 2 mango and get the pulp extracted. Now if you want to know how to cut mangoes in 7 different ways, then check the link above. After you finish this video, you can check the video on how to pick mangoes in store. I'm talking about a lot of mangoes, but I'm sort of a mango devotee. This sweet mango lassi can also be made as a vegan mango lassi recipe. We just need to substitute the whole milk and the yogurt with plant-based milk and chickpea yogurt. Cardamom pairs well with mango, and if you can't find them at your supermarkets or local markets, just substitute it with vanilla. Now, according to Ayurveda, this aromatic pod has significant warming properties that are soothing for our body. So, how to make mango lassi? Add in mangoes, milk, yogurt, which is the base of this recipe. Other ingredients are just to enhance this mango yogurt smoothie. You can also actually make mango lassi with canned mango pulp, but do not use the canning liquid along with it. Hey, if this video has been useful to you and as a way of saying thank you, I would love it if you hit that like button. It makes me really happy, and subscribe, especially if this is the kind of content that you like and would love to see more on YouTube. When mangoes are in season and you have guests coming over, temperature soaring, this is almost like an ice cream, except that it's not churned, but still creamy, and it tastes best when chilled. This creamy, luscious drink is nutrient-rich. Just remove the sugar if you want a healthier spin on this. It's protein-packed and hence keeps you full for a long time. Top it off with any of your favorite nuts. And did I ever mention that I do have some recipes which are breakfast smoothies? Then check this video out, and until next time, see you later.